Good morning students. Today we are learn about tenses. What is mean by tenses? Tenses are word that are used to refer time. By using tenses you can refer to either the past, the present or the future. Tenses are shown by the form of the verb used. Okay, there are 12 tenses and 4 categories in tenses. What are the 4 categories means? Simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Simple tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. There are 12 tenses and 4 categories in tenses. Okay. Now first step, the simple tense. This is one of the classroom. This boy name is Ajit. Ajit is present in class today. Ajit is present in class today. Ajit was present in class yesterday. Ajit will be present in class tomorrow. Today is present tense. Yesterday is past tense. Tomorrow is future tense. Is, was, will. The 3 verbs are being verbs. Is only used present tense, was only used past tense, will only used future tense. Okay, first simple tense. Simple present tense, that formula of subject plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. What is mean by subject? You know subject. Okay, subject have 3 persons. Subject have 3 persons. First person, second person, third person, and singular and plural. First person I, that singular I. Plural form we. The second person you, singular, plural form you. He, she, it, third person, the plural form they. Okay, you know the being verbs am, is, or, was, were, will, may, might, that etc. That is the being verbs. Action verbs are, this is action verbs. This is action verbs. Action verb is eat, walk, write, paint, dance, speak, get. That is action verbs. That present tense used am, is, or. The present tense that verb used am, verb, is, or. That being verbs are in am, is, or is the present verb. Past tense you used was and were. Past tense coming means you used was or were. Simple future tense. Simple future tense. Simple future tense only will or shall. Will or shall. Will or shall coming means that is future tense. Am, is, or. Being verbs are used after subject. Am, is, or is a present verb. Was and were is a past verb. Will be or shall be is a future verb. Okay, understand? Next, this full of action verbs. Okay, am, is, was, were. This is a being verbs. This is action verb. Okay, eat, walk, write, paint, dance, speak, get. This is action verbs. Verb 1 is a present tense. Verb 2 is a past tense. Will plus verb 1 is a future tense. Okay, verb 1 is eat. Verb 2 is ate. Verb 2 is the past tense. Will plus ate, that is future tense. Okay, simple present tense. Subject I. Verb 1 eat. Object is mango. I eat mango. That is simple present tense. Next is simple past tense. Subject plus verb to plus object. That is structure of past tense. Simple past tense. Structure of subject plus verb to plus object. I subject verb to eat ate. Object mango. Next simple future tense. Subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Subject I will eat. Will is a future tense. Eat is verb 1. Object is mango. That's all. Okay students, thank you. Next filling the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. Okay, you change I given the verb, you change and write the dash. Walk is a simple present tense, you directly write walk. Here simple past tense having means you write the dash walked. Okay, understand? Okay, next change that sentence of underlined verbs directed. She lives in Hyderabad. Simple past tense. Lives. Okay, lives. She lives. Lives is a simple present tense. You change the verb only. Lives. Lived. You change the verb lives. This is a present tense. You change the past tense. So lives, lived. You change past tense. This is one of the example. Okay, any doubt means you ask. Thank you.